A COVID-19 exposure temporarily stopped the trial of a man accused of killing an off-duty Racine police officer. A juror has now been dismissed from that case. Rebecca KLOPF explains why the court decided to keep going with the trial.
Racine County is holding one of its first jury trials since the COVID-19 pandemic started. Yesterday, one of the jurors found out they were exposed to someone who is COVID-19 positive, but a rush test helped to keep this case on track. Before the trial of Delcuevas Ward could get back underway this afternoon, the court had to wait to find out the health status of a juror. Yesterday, the court abruptly adjourned with no explanation after the judge found out a juror had been exposed to someone with COVID-19.
And the court agreed to taking steps to have the juror be tested for COVID-19.
The health department worked with the courts to expedite a test for the juror, and after the results came back negative, health officials said the trial could move forward. But the defense attorneys called for a mistrial.
I just don't think we can go through fairly. I don't think what anybody wants to do is raise the risk of doing this twice or doing this another time.
Prosecutors moved forward by calling a witness who testified about the DNA found in Teaser's bar and on Hetland's body after he was shot and killed. Prosecutors say Hetland tried to tackle Ward as he was robbing the bar, and the proof of Ward's guilt is in the DNA investigators found.
In each of those situations, the DNA is either consistent or a match with who?
With Delcuevas Ward.
The defense is arguing Ward's DNA could have been put in the bar and on Hetland's body by law enforcement who have investigated Ward in the past. They argue he's innocent. Reporting in Racine, Rebecca KLOPF, TMJ4 News.